No consistency, there is no depth, there is no winning mentality, there is no desire to win, there is nothing. Absolutely shit this club is. That first 3 victories they give just for the sake of giving the fans something to hope for. After that is nothing. Back to old ways. Losing, losing, losing. That too to Arsenal. Come on. The game. It was the worst game United has ever played under Ole, to be honest. There is no fucking passing accuracy. There is no good successful crosses. There is no shots on target. Nothing. Zero. First half only, Arsenal were looking so dominating. Second half, they got what they were working for. A goal. That Pogba, I swear I've had it with him. 1 assist he did, UCL. On that he is riding now. As if it's his whole career is over. He wants to retire, I suppose. Reason to foul that Hector guy. No reason at all. You know you're not getting the ball right. Why you had to stretch your leg? You're a ballerina? It was crap. Second half at least I thought, we soaked up all the pressure. Now at least, we'll start dominating. Get more possession, get more shots on target. Rattle the defense a bit. Nothing. That also zero. First half, repeat, second half. Only this time they got their goal. Nothing else. Sunday you look forward to such games, Your big game, you think, a good victory will boost your remaining week. No. For us, it's always demoralizing. Nothing else. UCL victories also, I suppose, were a fluke. This is how we are playing. We expect to win anything, any title. Even that Carabao Cup we won't win. Ryan Giggs himself has said, Premier League winning is another 10-20 years away. And so far, I agree with him. After looking at today's performance, yeah, maybe even more. Who knows? This is the way we are playing. Title, Ghanta, you'll get Ghanta. So that Ole chooses, I don't know what he's smoking and he's coming. What type of weed or heroin or whatever he does. Why you have to play such third faltu lineup? Happened. First half, you got the chance during halftime to substitute the players. What you did, when you're bringing the new players, Cavani, Donny, 60th minute, 70th minute, once the goal has become, you expect them to do wonders, no? That in the press conference and all you're saying, after that Newcastle victory, United's actual season has started. Oh no, you wanted to go on a streak, I suppose. Victory streak, without losing a single one. This is what you deliver. 1-0 to Arsenal. We had still 30 minutes to come back. 30 minutes to even find an equalizer and even the victory. Where no one is even bothered to play well. No shots on target, just passing, give it to them, come back. As if you're going to your relative's place to eat son papdi. If this continues, I wouldn't be surprised if after beating Red Bull and PSG that Istanbul people beat us. I feel that is what's going to happen. I feel it in my gut. Because the way we are playing, shambolic. Pathetic performance. Even the Queen Park Rangers will be good. What are we playing? Absolutely crap performance, man. Possession, one thing we had. On that only we are banking on the whole game. Nothing else. There is no creative passes. There is no one quick to tiki-taka. Nothing. Ghanta. Who also I thought would do something. That also you subbed him off. Bruno. You got on Donny. I'm not saying Donny shouldn't have been gotten on. You should have kept on Bruno as well. And you should have removed Pogba. Pogba caused that huge blunder of that penalty. Should have removed. Rest of the game also he was slow. One possession he had, that also is giving to them. Nothing. Why are we playing also Pogba now? He's playing inconsistent. Please find a replacement in the transfer market. Please. I wouldn't be surprised if we are in danger of relegation. We are now 15th or 16th something. 4 losses. 4 or 3 losses something out of 5 games. This is a terrible stat for a club of Manchester United's status. This club is no longer united. It's divided. Absolutely divided. The board is not with the manager is not with the players don't want to cooperate with the manager. Nothing. Absolute crap. That's it. These games I feel of 2 hours, it's better to watch some documentary or some TV show. At least from that you'll get some satisfaction, you'll know something. This is just time pass. This is just waste of electricity to put the fan on and your energy to watch the game. Nothing else. Hopeless to watch United games anymore. It's pointless to even stay up also if they are at 1 o'clock and all at the night. Nothing. Oh, hopeless game.